Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not on the front doors. So let's start with the left side door. Open the door, and once the door is open, right there is a switch to activate the feature. All you have to do is push it down to activate the feature. And now even while the feature is activated, I can still open and close the door from outside. There you go. Now from the inside though, if I close the door, I cannot open the door now no matter what I do. Locked, unlocked, doesn't matter. Try all you want, you cannot open it from inside now because the feature works as it should. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide over there and open it from the right side door because we did not activate the feature on this side yet. So let's get out from here, open the left side door from outside. To deactivate the feature, just push the switch up and now the feature is deactivated. Now if we try to open it from inside, when it's unlocked, I should be able to open, and yes I can. That's good, the feature is working as it should. Repeat the process on the right side, exact same position, same process. So just keep in mind you have to activate this feature individually on both the doors. If you have a child in the back seat, you don't want them to just slide over from one side to other and open up the other door and get out accidentally just because you haven't activated the feature there. And that's about it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.